Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by, and if you would, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. In this video, I'm going to kind of show you the before of what our kitchen looked like and the after. We're doing some updates in our kitchen. Ignore the big white splotch behind the oven. We still have to paint over that. That was just putty, and we were just waiting for it to dry. But I'm also going to be cleaning this kitchen and doing a deep clean for you guys, so you can get a look and just see how it looks after everything is cleaned. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Stronger than I
here I am kind of just writing things down that we need to do in each room, just projects that we want to get done in each room. And also I was writing down all the food and food inventory that we have, so we can try to eat the rest of our groceries that we have in our refrigerator, so we're not wasting any food.
I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for
That is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, please consider subscribing to this channel and clicking that like button and leave me a comment. And I will see you guys in the next one. We plan on fixing the backsplash, adding a backsplash, and changing out our oven. We will also be doing some other projects around our house. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.
That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me. Yeah, where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me?